Hello guys, in this video I will show how to export deals from HubSpot first. Open your browser and go to www.hubspot.com. Click Login at the top right and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the left-hand menu, click CRM and select Deals. Here, you'll see a list of all your current deals. Before exporting, you can apply filters such as pipeline, deal stage, owner, or date range to narrow down your data. When your filters are ready, click Export at the top right of the Deals table. Next, choose what you want to export. Select Export View to include only the columns currently visible, or choose All Properties for a complete data export with every available field. Then, pick your preferred file format, CSV, XLS, or XLSX, depending on what software you'll use to work with the data. Finally, click Export. Your file will either download automatically or be sent to your email depending on your settings. And that's it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.